Hello guys, today our friends of STREBITO sent us this silicone repair mat. You can actually use this for different purposes in a repair shop, like soldering, like actually putting your heating gun on top of it. Since it can actually handle high temperatures, let me go ahead and unbag it real quick. Now we can go ahead and see the different spaces that this mat has. Alright, so let me first show you all the compartments that this have. It has two magnetic places where you can actually magnetize your equipment. Okay, you can also use that, in case you want to save your screws. You can actually just put them right there, so that way they don't fall off or slip off. Another great area on this repair mat is that it has the little compartments to actually put the screws and actually order them while you're taking them off. Okay, now another compartment that it has right here is to put your screwdrivers. You can just sit them right here while you're repairing. That way you can keep everything organized. You can actually put other components, other parts on this areas over here. There you go. Now right here we have one of our repair tablets that we're doing. You can actually sit your phone, tablet, or electronic on top of it. That way you don't scratch it. This mat is actually static free, so that way you don't damage any of your components of your electronics. This mat is actually has a lot of uses in a repair shop due to the fact that it can handle high temperatures. So if you're actually using your heat gun, this part right here gets really hot. So whenever you turn it off, you can easily just put it and lay it right here or in any of the areas, and you can rest assured that you're not going to damage any of your other surfaces. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.